What is transient keyword in Java and why it is key role playing in serialization? What is transient keyword in Java and why it is key role playing in serialization? Transient keyword is applicable for variables. Transient keyword is applicable for variables. Variables. This is the first point. Second point is while performing serialization. While performing serialization. While performing serialization. If you do not want to save, the original value, then use it. Then use it to while performing serialization. If you do not want to save the original value, then use it. Then the third point is JVM ignores the JVM ignores the original value and replaces with the default value. Replaces with the default value. Fourth point is while performing deserialization, deserialization, while performing deserialization, if you try to access the transient variables value, then we will get default value. Fifth point, at the time of serialization, transient variable provides security to fields. These are the important points about transient keyword and why it is key role playing in serialization. What is transient keyword in Java and why it is key role playing in serialization? Transient keyword is applicable for variables. I will create one program as well. So create one variable, private transient, private transient. Suppose string name is equal to center. Yeah, transient keyword is applicable for variables. This point is done. Transient keyword is applicable for variables. Next point, while performing serialization, if you do not want to save the original value, then use it. So I will create serialization code now. Then main method, serialization code, serialization, file output stream, file output stream is equal to new file output stream, here we need to pass suppose a.txt. Next, object output stream, object output stream, new object output stream. We need to pass file output stream reference. For import, control shift os dot. Here provide object method is there in serialization. So here we need to pass the serializable class object. So I will make this class as serializable. So implements serializable. So this class is serializable. After that, t dot name is equal to, you can cut this here. Name is equal to center. So I am initialized with one value. You can pass this t to here. This class we are serializing. You can also override. You can also generate some serial version ID. Serial version ID. Here two fields are there. Serial version ID name. We need to declare the exceptions. We need to handle the exception by using add throws declaration or surrounding with try catch. I will throws at the method level. Throws exception. So this is completed. Next one, deserialization. First, I will print this value here. T. I will print T. Control S. So I am printing now. It will giving the hash code. Auto convert this hash code. Like you can call T dot net. Right away. You can call like this. Yes, anchor. Yeah. Here this transient keyword effort is not working. Let's check what the third point. While performing serialization, if you do not want to save the original value, then use it. So then use it in serialization. If you are normally you are created one transient variable, if you are trying to access the transient variable value, then we will get original value. While if you are trying to access while deserialization, then you will get a dummy value like default value. Next one, deserialization. This is serialized. I want to deserialize. Deserialize deserialization. So here file output stream, coming to here file input stream, file input stream, file input stream, new file input, file input stream, file input stream. Here overridden constructors are there. So I will take same name. We need to take a.txt, a.txt. Next one, object input stream, object input, object input stream, object input stream equal to new object input stream. We need to pass FIS. After that, object input stream dot, so read object, yeah, here read object. We need to pass store into this class. Suppose take the result equal to, we need to typecast with this. We need to typecast. Yeah. At last, we can try to print the value. Result dot field name is A, not a name. Yeah, control S. Run as Java application. See here, after deserialization, we are getting the null value. So coming to this question, what is transient keyword in Java and why it is key role playing in serialization? First point, transient keyword is applicable for variables. Coming to here, transient keyword is applicable for variables. First point completed. Second point, while performing serialization, if you do not want to save the original value, then use it. So here I am performing serialization. I don't want to save this the string value, then I am using transient keyword. Second point completed. Third point, Java ignore the original value and replace it with the default value. While performing deserialization, if you try to access the transient variable value, then we will get default value. So where after deserialization, if you try to access that name field value, we will get the default value. I'm running this here. We are getting the default value by using transient keyword in serialization. At the time of serialization, transient variable provides security to field. If you are using transient keyword in serialization, a transient keyword will provide security to fields. So here it will hide the original value, just is passing default value. It's all about what is transient keyword in Java and why it is key role playing in serialization. Thank you for watching.